Hello, friends. Welcome back to Indian Illumination Theatre, and a very good morning to you. A very happy Tuesday. Friends, today we are going to discuss for all the day in my Bengali and other Hindi tutorial also about production designing. Production designing is a new term in film. It's probably using for around 5 to 10 years. Production designing means, you can say, the frame designing, the entire production designing, the entire process of filmmaking. And production designing is a key and a ingredient part of filmmaking. What do you mean by production designing? Basically, production is designed from the process of pre-production to post-production to get through the reach of the audience. The entire process of filmmaking is divided in 5 parts. I already told that: development, pre-production, production, post-production, and marketing. And this 5 process is enhanced with production designing. In development, when a production designer is hired in pre-production phases in a production house, basically a production designer's work is to deal with the cinematographer, with the director, and with the production manager also. Basically, the difference between the production manager and the production designer is a production manager is a management oriented work, and production designer is a designing oriented work. It's like how to design a frame, how to design a sound, how to design a movie, how to market a movie, everything. But it's a key creative part. You can say it's a key creative part. Like in if you watch a movie where a production designing is very much essential part, like Mad Max Fury. Even Mad Max Fury's production designing won an Oscar Academy Award in that year when the Mad Max Fury was released. So, what is the main criteria of a production designer, or you can say what is the main essential role of a production designing in a cinema? So, basically, from perspective of shooting process or production process, a production designer is valued with frame designing. Basically, how to design and develop a frame, and how to work with the art director, how to set up and setting up the mise en scene of a entire frame, like two fan से लेकर सब कुछ इसके अंदर जो है everything. So how to set up and how to design an entire frame is dependent on the role of a production designer. He just make a discussion with the art director. He just make a primary discussion with the art setting people. Okay, even the light crew, even the cinematographer, even the colorist, all have to deal with the production designer. So what is the importance of production designing is basically production designers deal with frame designing, production designers deal with color, production designers deal with sound, production designers deal with entire mise en scene of a film. So it's a new term, production designing, production logistics. It's all of the new term. Okay, it's all of the new role play in a filmmaking, but it's very much essential. It will if entire film process, or if an entire film production hire an production designer, then the film will efficiently run. It will look more efficient in its art setting, its frame designing. Okay, so production designing is very much important for new filmmakers, or basically independent filmmakers, studio filmmakers. For everyone, production designing is very much important. So basically, production manager deals with to organize the shooting schedule, to organize the shooting locations, to organize the pre-production, to organize the fooding, lodging, staying, everything. Production manager deal with all those stuffs. But production designing is not that kind of management oriented work. It's it's design oriented work, it's you can say creative oriented work, it's a pure creative oriented work, it's a creativity, production designing. And what is the difference between art direction and production designing? Art direction is basically to set up an art in an entire frame, to set up the background, to set up the art setting, to set up the mise en scene. But production designing is not only the background, it's also the foreground of a film, of a character, how the character will move, how the character's position. And a production designer has to deal with, from producer to director to cinematographer to sound designer to post production supervisor, everyone a production designer has to deal. So it's a very vital and a very much important crew in a filmmaking industry to enhance that particular film. So if you have some interest in production designing, and if you want to know further on production designing, I will discuss later in my videos that what is production designing and what else we can discuss more about production designing. So please do watch my other Bengali and Hindi videos today and keep it up with my channel. So bye and see you in my next video today. Bye.